What's up, guys? It's Ken with Premier One Exterior Cleaning Solutions. Today we got a roof cleaning to do. Check that out. One of our returning customers I acquired last year from just driving past and trying to pick up some new clients, and I stopped and asked her if she needed some gutter cleaning done, and she took me up on the offer, and she called me back again this year. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, get our tools out, and get to work. All right, guys, a better top view of what we're dealing with. So that's what we got, guys. Let's do it. All right, guys, we got it all knocked out. Just got done taking pictures for the client so I can show her that all the drains are cleared, all the gutters are cleaned, the drains are opened, got everything brushed off. To the back side, got all that cleaned up for her, got all that clean. Another job done, another job on the books, guys. All right, guys, house is all done, got it all cleaned. That's how it looks from the outside. A lot better than it did before. Didn't take us long at all, really. I got here about 9:30, got started, and it's already 11 o'clock, so not bad. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna end this job. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and come back for the next one. Pressure on.